Let me try again. So, CARLWHEEZER attempt. All right. Let me think.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
Are you gonna finish that croissant? Or something like that, right? Yeah. Are you gonna finish that croissant? Knock yourself out.
Knock yourself out.
So fucking stupid. Yeah, me and Jimmy's mom are gonna hang out. Oh my gosh. Oh, my spleen! Oh. Or something like that, right? Holy shit. Miss Fowl? Oh my gosh. My favorite
call of the
mating call of the humpback whale. Fucking Carl, dude.
Very good.
Very good.
A hot dog holder.
A hot dog holder.
Dog holder deluxe, also known
It's the hot dog holder deluxe.
as the Versa bun.
As the Versa bun. It is also a status hat. It also gets Jimmy's mom.
I'm just.
I'm just not sweating.
Carl,
They really embrace the emotion there. I love that. Can't believe I'm doing this for you guys. Hey, have you seen Jimmy?